Every developmental project and schemes are undertaken after proper estimation, planning and management with all the executives. Likewise, United Students Union of Karbi Anglong filed an RTI petition to know the in-depth details of the estimation, planning and management made in the construction of drains under SOPD OD5 for the year 2018-19 at Udaligaon and Bahani Adarsa, Bongkok Teranggaon under Bokolia Municipal Board with an estimated cost of rupees 17 lakh each. After an RTI report was received, it was found out that the drains constructed under SOPD scheme were disappointing and were not constructed as per the proposed structure of the plan. Jintu Hazarika, activist of USUKA, while speaking to us, informed that there are 7 wards under Bokolia Municipal Board, and out of the total wards, the most unprofessional and disappointing works carried out was found under the chairman's ward of the town. Hence, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council authority must intervene in this corruption practice under Bokolia Municipal Board and terminate the chairmanship of Bokolia Municipal Board at the earliest. Adding a note to that, it is very surprising as the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council authority remains silent despite the news of collecting money from the beneficiaries of PMAYG housing scheme were floating around the clock. Therefore, we appeal the concerned authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to set an inquiry over the dishonesty practiced under Bokolia Municipal Board. And if the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council failed to intervene in this matter, huge protests would be staged, and also we could be compelled to report it to the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Department in the following days.
Immediately etu town committee report ব্যবস্থা লব লাগে আৰু টাউন কমিটি চেয়াৰমেনক অতি সোনকালে পদত্যাগ কৰিব লাগে বুলি আমি দাবী জনাইছো আৰু যদি নহয় তেতিয়া অনাগত দিনত আমি ইয়াৰ ওপৰত তীব্ৰ আন্দোলন কৰিবলৈ বা আমি এইবিলাক কাগজ লৈ ভিজিলেন্সত আমি দিবলৈ আমি বাধ্য হ'ম অতি সোনকালে আমি ক'ব বিচাৰো যে এই বিজেপি চৰকাৰখনে এইটো ওপৰত গুৰুত্ব লৈ কৰি অতি সোনকালে চেয়াৰমেনক পদত্যাগ কৰিব লাগে।
Parsing Rong Peace report from Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live.